Hey foodies, welcome and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this easy one-pan salmon and asparagus bake. The salmon is baked in a delicious honey garlic butter sauce. This recipe is a great meal prep idea and will be ready in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first you're going to start off with your pound of salmon. You want to make sure you rinse that off and pat that dry first. Then you're going to take your knife and go ahead and slice it right where you think you want to cut yours at. I like to do this first before I cut mine, just to make sure they're all even in size. Now once you're done cutting your slits, you can go ahead and cut them down the center. When you're done, you should have 3 even salmon fillets. Now go ahead and take your salmon fillets and add them into a baking sheet lined with foil. So in the meantime, we can get started on preparing our asparagus. So I'm going to go ahead and split this down the center so I have 2 piles instead of 1. That way it'll be easier for me to cut off those woody, fibrous ends. That part always tends to be really bitter and tough, so you want to make sure you remove that. Alright guys, so now let's move on to the honey garlic butter sauce. For that you'll need 4 tablespoons of melted butter and 4 tablespoons of honey, a half of a lemon squeezed out or about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, a teaspoon and a half of creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now go ahead and take all your seasonings and spices and stir those together until those are well combined, like you see right here. Now once that's well combined, you're going to go ahead and add in the melted butter. And if you want to go the healthy route, you could definitely substitute this for some olive oil. Next you're going to add in your honey. And then squeeze in your fresh lemon juice. If you happen to get any seeds in there like you see me doing right here, just please make sure you scoop that out. If not, that lemon taste is going to be too overbearing. So please make sure if you get any seeds in there, make sure you remove that. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and give that a good stir until that is well combined. And your sauce should be a nice thick consistency, which is perfect because when we put this over the salmon, it's going to absorb all those flavors and it's going to stick to our salmon. So now we're going to go ahead and add our asparagus back into our baking sheet, and we're going to take that sauce and we're just going to pour an equal amount over all of our salmons. And if you guys are enjoying this recipe so far, go ahead and leave me a like and comment down below what you think about the whole meal prep thing. If you guys want to see more recipes like this, just let me know in the comment section below. I have a ton of different meal prep idea recipes. So once you finish applying all the honey garlic sauce onto your salmon, you're going to go ahead and add a generous amount of olive oil over that asparagus, and go ahead and add a little bit of complete seasoning and black pepper over that asparagus, and go ahead and season that to taste. Now add a lemon slice on top of each salmon fillet. Then pop this in a 425-degree oven for about 12 minutes. And when you're all done, you'll have this delicious one-pan oven-baked salmon that is absolutely amazing. This literally only took me about 15 minutes to put together, and as you see, it only took about 12 minutes in the oven. The salmon came out very moist and flaky, and let me tell you, that honey garlic sauce just made it taste even better. You can serve this as it is, or you can eat this with some roasted potatoes or a little bit of rice. This recipe is healthy and super easy to make. If you guys do want to make this, make sure you guys check the description box below for the full recipe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.